Hi guys, Britt Tech here, and today I'm going to show you how to customize each ear for your Apple AirPods. So pretty much what you need to do is go ahead and make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then once it's on, go ahead and scroll to your settings, select settings, and then go ahead and go to Bluetooth and select it. And once you've selected that, go ahead and make sure your Apple AirPods are connected, and once they are, go ahead and select them. And then as you scroll down, you can see that there are two options, left option and right option. That will refer to the left AirPod and the right AirPod. So go ahead and select left. And as you can see, you have several different options to customize that ear. You have Siri, play, pause, next track, previous track, and that's referring to your Apple Music or whatever music you're going to be streaming through your AirPods. And then you simply have off. So that's how you can customize that, and then the same options are available for the right ear as well. So once you're done selecting the options that you want for each ear and you want to customize each ear with, go ahead and exit out of that, and the settings have taken place. So guys, that's how you customize each ear for your AirPods. Hope this helps.